super short meditation. You can do it. Find any comfortable seated position, chair, floor, couch, wall, whatever. You might close your eyes. Watch one breath come in and go out. And then take your awareness into your feet. So all your thinking mind, all your attention moves into the feet. What sensations do you feel happening there? There might be some tingling or pressure. Can you sense temperature or the touch of your socks or maybe air moving against your skin? Can you feel the place where your feet touch down and make contact with the surface beneath them? All your awareness in your feet. Bringing a wandering mind back into the feet. This is how the feet feel right now. Take another breath and watch it go in and out. Now inviting all your attention into your hands. All your thinking attention into the hands. How do the hands feel right now? Is there temperature, tingling, pressure? Is there a lightness or heaviness to the hands? Bringing your attention to the places on your hands that touch something else. Letting the hands rest heavily down on something. And watch another breath come in and go out. Bring attention to your seat. Notice the parts of your body that are resting down, supported by the surface beneath you. Is there tingling, pressure, weightiness? Allow your body to rest down heavily on the surface beneath you. Let's take 5 breaths here. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. If your eyes have been closed, you could start to blink the eyes open. You might look around your space and reorient yourself. Great job meditating. See you again.